Smoking Suvi sommelier-ish. Ukulele, ukulele J.
FedEx just arrived with the presents. The unboxing of the PK360. Here we go. Hey everybody, Ukulele J here. I want to let you know that this was a great packaged product. PK grills, the PK360, double boxed, double stapled everywhere, foam on the inside. That thing is unbreakable in the shipping process. It was really amazing. Not difficult to put together. I'm tired and I think I deserve some supplication. Now on to the grilling. Wait. I forgot to show you the best part. Now I'm done.
Smoking Suvi sommelier-ish. Ukulele, ukulele J.